Bellway is providing air source heat pump technology now to ensure your new home is built for the future and designed to stand the test of time. Air source heat pumps are an innovative, energy-efficient way to heat your new home, offering a fossil fuel-free and environmentally friendly heating system. Thanks to its advanced design, the air source heat pump is located outside of your home, offering an ideal space-saving solution. They work by absorbing ambient heat from the outside air to provide heating and hot water inside. Think of an air source heat pump as the reverse of a fridge. It extracts heat from the outside air, even in low temperatures, converting this into usable energy by passing it through a compressor and into a heat exchanger. Here, the temperature is increased, generating heat energy which is then transferred into the water circulating around your home through underfloor heating, if installed, and radiators, all while supplying your home with hot water all year round. Highly efficient and environmentally friendly, your air source heat pump utilizes air-to-water technology to offer a far more carbon-friendly solution than a traditional gas or oil-fired boiler. Using reliable technology, the heat pump is able to precisely control the temperature of your home, even in adverse weather conditions as low as -15 degrees. The control unit is situated on a wall in the hallway. Setting a comfortable setback temperature whilst you are out will allow you to slowly increase the temperature and ensure you have efficient warmth when you want it. If you prefer a cooler home at night, simply program your heat pump to reach a lower temperature a few hours before you go to bed, and your unit will do the rest. You'll find a number of useful settings to flexibly complement your lifestyle, enabling you to set the time, date, and temperature. It's important that your heat pump is never completely turned off. Turning it off means the heat pump has to work harder to get your home back up to temperature when you need it. Just like any appliance, regular servicing will ensure everything continues to run smoothly and your pump works efficiently, so take careful note of any maintenance requirements. Typically, only an annual service is required. Read your instruction manuals carefully, and if in doubt, your installer or sales advisor will be happy to advise you. Future-proof your home today. For more information about the benefits of your air source heat pump, as well as more useful tips from our experts, please visit bellway.co.uk.